So based on what I taught you about forms, if you look at these two, or about buttons, if you look at these two, you'll see that we can actually make them look like this. Before we get to this, I'll get to this in a short while. So what we can do is, from here, let us go and check Bootstrap documentation under buttons. This is Bootstrap documentation where we were before under buttons. Let us look for a button that looks exactly how we want. Look at the list of buttons here, and the one we're looking for is this danger, and it is here, BTN danger. So here we're gonna give this guy BTN danger. You get? So if we refresh, you see BTN danger. We have Udemy for Business twice. There must be an error somewhere. Have Udemy for Business become an instructor? Okay, this, we need to take care of this. So temporarily I'm going to remove this. Let me just call it U. Alright. So we need a button that has, okay, so we need a button that has a border. Look at how this looks like. It has a border. Alright. And so to do that, we have to get to Bootstrap. We're looking for a button that has a border, dark border. Look at what we're looking for, dark. This one is BTN outline dark. That's what we're looking for. So we can come here, instead of BTN light, we'll say BTN outline dark. So if we refresh, there we go. So far so nice. Now one thing you have to observe is that there is no space in between them, which is a bad thing. We need them to be spaced out a little, the way it is on Udemy. Look at Udemy. There's a little space in between them. All right. So in order not to mix the course up, I would want to do that in the next video. I want to. It's a special topic in Bootstrap. It's called spacing. I want to do that in the next video. But one more thing we have to find out is that here too, as you can see, as we're adding these guys, it's messing up this guy too. We'll treat it once we start working with icons too. All right. So thank you very much. See you in the next video where we will briefly touch spacing, and then we go ahead to treat icons.